Hi guys, so we just got here to our hotel room at the Cosmopolitan. I don't know the exact name, but I'll put it here on the screen. And this is what the entrance looks like. So let me flip the camera and I'll give you guys a tour of the room. Okay, so when you first walk in, you have this mirror here. Right here, there's just a little picture. And then the restroom here, it has this huge sliding door, so you can even close that if you want to get ready. And so this is what it looks like. There's the bathtub with the towel rack, a shower, and then it's got the two little vanities, mirror, another mirror right here. There's outlets right here. And I think you can change the lighting. Yeah, so it's just the overhead lighting, and then you can also put the lighting for the mirrors on. So it has the outlets on either side. These do not open. They're just for decoration. There's two drawers here, and then the bathroom has its own room. I like this hotel because it has like the silhouettes of, see if you can see the face right there, and then they have beautiful artwork. So there's that. So then you come this way, you have your little living area. There's seating here with the tables, the side table with another outlet right there, another chair, your TV, and then you have your little snackaroos right here, the iPad that controls everything. You have more artwork up here, and another fridge, which we don't touch these. And then some, oh cool, they have another fridge. And then here's like a little workstation. So we have that, which is nice. A notepad, here's another little light. You have some more outlets, phone plugs. And then on this side, we have our bed. Ooh, it has nice little lights. More outlets and USB chargers. I don't know what this is. Ooh, it turns on the recess lighting and this light. What is that? It says bathroom. What does it do? Oh, it dims the light in the bathroom. Oh, it turns it off too, so you don't have to get up. Ooh, and then it has an all on and off. Oh, ooh, that's fun. What does that one do? The arrow down. Okay, nothing. Just the lights. That's nice. And I'm assuming these are lights. Yep, and then you can turn these either way. Awesome. And then there's a TV right there. And you have some closet space with a cute little wallpaper. And then on this side, oh shit, more storage, the iron, and the safe. How do you like it, babe?
Nice.
Look, go press the buttons on the side of the bed. Right there, those buttons.
These?
Yeah.
What do I push?
Anyone. Look. Do it again. Seriously, what are you pressing?
Relax.
Okay, well, can you press an on and off button, maybe? Look. Babe, you didn't even see? See, it turned on the restroom light. Now press it again and it'll turn it off. Ooh, so you don't even have to get out of bed. Ooh, that's so nice. And then out here we have a little seating chair with a table. And you can see the strip. There goes the little tram. Then you can see the pool. So this is our view, and on this side there's a little couch and another little table. And there's the MGM where we stayed last night.